What's good? If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back to the channel. You all, I am just hopping back on because I was so thoroughly impressed and so surprised with my results from my November Cocotique box that I just recently put a video up on a couple days ago from Cocotique. It is that new Design Essentials Almond and Avocado line. It's their new line, y'all. The shampoo, the conditioner, and I just recently unboxed and reviewed this line from my November Cocotique beauty box, and I intentionally came on to that video with my hair all dry and crunchy. It had been in a twist out for 2 weeks after being twisted up for a week prior. So it was a total of 3 weeks of moisture dehydration. And I did that because I wanted to purposely come on and show you guys the after results. And here we are. So if you're natural, and don't mind guys, I got specks of gray hairs that are trying to pop through. But I wanted to come through and just show y'all the curl definition that I got and the moisture retention that I got. Now, of course, the shrinkage is there, but it dawned on me that I hadn't came back. That's actually gel buildup there. But it dawned on me that I hadn't popped back on to show you guys the after results, because chances are I'm going to braid my hair and get ready to go under wigs, because I got a couple new wigs coming in and I'm going to be recording some wig reviews and wig unboxings. But I wanted to come on and just show y'all the moisture and the curl definition that I've got, and also just to show y'all my journey, you know, that my hair is growing quite rapidly. So again, if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking a moment to click on the video. And as for the rest of you all, thank you so much for continuing to rock with your girl. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. And again, this is just a product update of the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado line that I just reviewed a couple days ago. So if you are a 4C natural, kinky curly, or kinky coily girl like myself, yeah, I would definitely recommend trying the product, and I would definitely purchase the product. So yeah, just wanted to hop on and say that. Thank you guys again. You all be blessed and stay encouraged, and I'll see you all in the next video. Good night.